How to fix screen flickering on Android. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing well, so let's start without wasting time. First solution is restart your device. Now after restarting, check if the issue is solved or not. If this doesn't fix the issue, go to your settings, go to display and brightness, enable eye comfort, select dark mode. Now go back to home screen. If nothing solves your issue, go to the nearest service center and replace your device's screen. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question, want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.